Write number name for given number. Write number name. Three.
F O R T Y 44. F O U R 44. 100.
Wait fast.
ONE 100. HUNNDIED 100. 100. 90. NINETY 90. 65. SIXTY 65. 5. 5. 65. 32.
Right.
THIRTY 32. TWO 2.
TWO2. You have to see and write the proper way. Okay. 2. Now write number for given number name. Here I given number name. For that you have write your number.
Okay. 22.
Write fastly. Fast you have to write. Every time you have to do fast.
22 to 45. 45. 79. 8.
Read properly.
11.
నువ్వు ఇలా చేసావు అనుకో రాంగ్ అవుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు సీ ప్రాపర్ అండ్ ప్రొనౌన్స్ ప్రాపర్లీ. దెన్ ఓన్లీ యూ గెట్ కరెక్ట్ స్పెల్లింగ్.
2. 4. 15.
You have to see proper and write. Okay, don't hurry burry. Count the pictures and write the number and number name. Count pictures and write the number name.
Number name.
Number and number name both. Count the picture first.
Number and number.
You have to write number and number name. That number name you have to write.
1, 2, 3, 4. F O U R 4.
Next.
1. 12. TWELVE. 12.
12. Next, identify the number and draw the pictures. Identify the number.
3 pictures.
That many pictures you have to draw here. Next.
Stars. 10 pictures.
fast draw.
Here write missing numbers. Mixing numbers.
128.
Hmm.
129. 130. 131.
Hmm. Before, after, between numbers. Before numbers, after numbers, between. We write before and after between numbers. Here what is that? Before number.
79.
79 before what comes?
78.
Right here only.
Se- 78.
అది షార్ప్ వేసుకోవచ్చు కదా.
81.
త్వరగా.
457.
Here between numbers.
Between numbers 8. 21. 100. 4.
Write numbers in abacus form. 71.
71.
How many comes here?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 71. 1.
Yes. Here. What is this number?
Here 90. 90.
90.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Here only one number is there. That's why you have to write in ones place. 6 beats in ones place only. Tens place 0 beats. No beats. Here tens place nothing. Nothing is there. That's why write in ones place. This is ones place. This is ones place, tens place. Here ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds.
2 ones, tens. ఇక్కడ ones, tens.
Huh? Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Here, this is ones place. This is tens place. This is hundreds place. That's why this is 100. Here are given abacus form. You count and write the number. What number comes here?
సరే 33.
See properly how
32.
many beats are there. 32. Tens place how many beats are there?
3,
Ones place?
2,
Hmm.
32.
Hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hmm.
5 beats.
5 bits of which number comes there?
Which number? 50.
50 you have to tell strong and proper way.
50.
50. Confidently you say 50. That is the correct answer. Confidently you have to say.
50.
Okay. Here write the expand form of the given number. Expand form. What is the expand form of 45? You have to write expand form here. Expand form means here tens place what is their number?
4.
Here ones place what is the number is there?
5.
You have to write 4 tens plus 5 ones. That is the expand form. 4 tens plus 5 ones. You have to write here 4 tens plus 5 ones. That combined called 45. 45 number. 4 tens. 45 లో ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి 4 tens ఉంటాయి 5 ones ఉంటాయి. That's why we call that is a 45.
TENS. Tens.
Plus
4 tens.
5 ones.
Plus 5
5
ones.
ones.
5.
This is the expand form.
O N E S.
4 tens 5 ones. This is the expand form. This is the short form. Somewhere you given this thing na కొన్ని చోట్ల ఇట్లా ఇస్తారు అనుకో ఇది ఇస్తే షార్ట్ ఫామ్ రాయమంటారు. హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ షార్ట్ ఫామ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్పాండ్ ఫామ్ షార్ట్ ఫామ్. హియర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్పాండ్ ఫామ్. షార్ట్ ఫామ్ ఈజ్ 45. 4 tens plus 5 ones. This is the expand form. This is the short form. Okay. Write it. Write those.
ఇక్కడ కూడా
Right. What is the number here?
33.
33. Here ones place what is there?
3.
Tens place 3. Now you have to write expand form.
Expand form. 3 tens. 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 3 tens plus 3 ones. ONES. Ones.
Here 20 right.
20. 2 TENS. Tens. 2 tens plus 0 ones. 0 ones. 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 0 ones.
Here circle the large number and tick the smallest number. Here circle the largest number and tick the smallest number. In this, what is the largest number?
In this, what is the largest?
In this row, what is the largest number?
20.
Circle that one. Smallest one, what is the smallest one?
3.
Tick. Next one. Circle the large one. Largest number.
Largest number. In here. This one.
Circle it. Or the smallest number.
Smallest number here.
Smallest one you have to tick. Write 5 skip counting.
5, 10.
Comma, you put comma in between both numbers.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 30, 35, 40, 40, 45, 50.
Here ordinal number. You have to write the spellings of ordinal numbers. Write here spellings. Comparison. Here comparisons. Here write the symbols here. Greater than, less than, equal. What comes here? Count the circles and the right symbol here.
It's two sides.
What is that symbol name?
Less.
Say
Greater
properly. Say confidently.
Greater than.
See proper this symbol and say properly. Don't hurry burry. Don't say hurry burry.
Less than. Less than.
Less than. This is the less than. Here you write short form. This is expand form. Here I given expand forms. Write here to here short form. What is a 40 plus 5? 40 plus 5?
Equal.
45 plus 5. What comes here? That what is the short form for this 40 plus 5?
45.
45. Write that one. 45. This is a 40. 40. Okay, 4 tens plus 5 ones. 45. 4 tens. 40 plus 5. 45. Next 3 tens plus 0 ones.
3 tens plus 0 ones. 30.
30.
నేనేమో ఈ రెండింటిని 0 అనుకున్నాను.
సరే రాయి. 30. Next 7 ones.
7. 7 1 7.
Read.
9 tens plus 3 ones.
What numbers comes here? Short form.
93.
Next 80 plus 1. 80 plus 1. What comes here?
80 plus 1. 81.
81 అంటే మళ్ళీ 89 రాస్తావు. 81 కదా రాయాల్సింది. చెప్పడం 81 అని చెప్పావు, మళ్ళీ రాసేది ఏంది 89 రాస్తారా? హ్యావ్ టు కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ అండ్ రైట్ ప్రాపర్లీ. హ్యావ్ టు కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ ఇట్.
There is a need box.
ఓకే హియర్.
There is this one.
Don't shout. Listen properly. I given the numbers. Here also number comparison. Say which one, which symbol comes here? Greater than, less than.
Ik.
Which symbol comes there? What is that symbol name?
This symbol name less than.
Yes, right. Write all. Write all things.
7 7
Equals. Next.
Next.
How many digits are there in this number? You write those digit number here. Here 1. Count here. 1 2 45. 1 2 2 digits are there in this number. 45 number, how many digits are there? 2 digits. Right here, 2 digit numbers. 2 digit number, 2 digits.
2 Rayana.
Write the 2 digit number. Tens place in 3. Tens place in 3. 2 digit number you have to write. In that number, tens place is 3. Which numbers comes 2 digit number?
33.
33, right, 33. Tens place 3. "59" is the digit in tens place is. What is the tens place name? What is there in tens place? In 59 number. In that tens place, what is the digit is there? 59. Tens place, what is the number is there? 5. Write 5 there. 5 here. This is a ones place. This is a tens place. Ones place is 9. Tens place number is 5. That's why you write tens place digit 5 here. 3, 4, 5 dash digits. How many digits are there in this number?
Dash digits.
How many digits are there in this number? How many? 3. You count like this. 1, 2, 3. That's why 3 digits. 5 in tens place. 5 in tens place. You write 2 digit number. What numbers comes? What number come? 5 number comes in tens place.
3, 9.
Right. 151. The digit in ones place is, in 151, one digit, ones place, what number is there? Right, 1. 6 equal dash digits. How many digits in this number? The number of digits in the number 355. How many digits are? The number of digits in the number 355. 3 digits, you have to write digits also there. Write digits. Ones place in 4. Ones place have to put ones place 4. Tell the 2 digit number. Ones place is 4. "205. 205. The digits in 100 place is 205. This is number is there. In this 100 place, what number is there? 100's place number. Write 2.